Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Bill Miller's-style pickled onions using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 2 large white onions, thinly sliced, along with 1 cup of vegetable or canola oil. For the tangy brine, prepare 8 fluid ounces of white vinegar. To balance the flavors, have 3 tablespoons of sugar ready, and finally, 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and dried oregano. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare the star of our dish, the onions. Begin by peeling your 2 large white onions. Then, carefully slice them into thin, uniform rings, about 1/4 inch thick. This thinness allows them to absorb the delicious marinade quickly. Gently separate these rings and place them into a clean, sealable container, ensuring there's enough space for the liquid. Next, we will create the flavorful brine that transforms ordinary onions into a tangy delight. In a separate bowl, combine your 1 cup of vegetable or canola oil with 8 fluid ounces of white vinegar. Add the 3 tablespoons of sugar, along with 1/2 teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and dried oregano. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the sugar has completely dissolved, ensuring a well-balanced marinade. With your onions prepared and brine mixed, it's time to bring them together. Pour the flavorful brine directly over the sliced onions in your container. Secure the lid tightly and gently shake the container to ensure every onion piece is thoroughly coated. Place your container in the refrigerator and allow the onions to marinate for at least 24 hours. Then, they are ready to enjoy as a fantastic side or topping.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.